Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Embrace the potential of this spacious residential property nestled in the serene breadbasket parish of St. Elizabeth at Lily Terrace, Flat Rock. It sits on 0.21 acres of land. This property offers a blank canvas for your dream home. With plenty of space for customization, you can design a residence that suits your lifestyle. The lush surroundings provides a tranquil retreat, while essential amenities remain within easy reach. The Black River High School and hospital are a stone throw away. Inside, you will find ample space with 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, ensuring comfort and privacy. St. Elizabeth's mild temperature and fertile soil makes it an ideal location for those seeking a peaceful, nature-rich environment. Whether you are looking for a family home or an investment opportunity, this property has the potential you are seeking. This incomplete residential house is your chance to create the home you have always imagined in a beautiful Jamaican setting. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.